Happy hump day, everybody. It's Wednesday. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Oh, turn some light on here this morning. Well, today here in Ohio, here in Canal, Winchester, Ohio. Yeah, speaking a little hick a bit there. Well, anyways, it's 26 degrees. We got frost on the cars and the windows. It's a chilly, chilly morning. So what goes better with chilly? Chilly morning? Ah, all night this has been cooking. Now I should have done a cooking video, but I'm not. This is going to be a simple vlog. Just wishing all of you a very grateful Wednesday, being safe. But look at that. Now when I made this menu up, this was on the menu. I had no clue that it was going to be today that chili outside. So chili day, we got chili cooking in the crock pot. Oh yeah, we got to seal that back up. Man, I bet you wish you had some smell-o-vision. I'm telling you what, it smells delicious. Delicious, delicious. We all love a delicious chili. Do you like chili? Comment down below and tell me if you like chili. Now, I'm not a big fan of chili, but this batch here, I don't know what I did, but it is good. As you can see, my spoon's a little dirty. See? I've been tasting it already. Well, it's 8:30 in the morning. I hope most of you are already off to the rat race, and I just thought I would wish everyone a very, very grateful Wednesday. Hey, it's Thursday evening. Think about it. Thursday is right around the corner, people. Before you know it, Friday will be here. So everyone, get out, be grateful, and show respect to your fellow man. All right? You know, just a small little gratitude. Open the door, or say good morning or good afternoon whenever you're watching this video. You know, just make sure you show the positive vibes to your fellow man. You know what I'm saying? Because it's important that we share the love of Christ. Amen. You know, it only takes a small little thing to say to someone, because they might be having a bad day. They might have got a bad health report. You don't know what they're going through, but you saying just hi, it really shocks the system to people, because people don't talk to each other anymore. When I go to the store, I say good morning. You know, I say how you doing. You know, I'm always opening the door to speak to someone about the love of Jesus Christ. And we don't have to get out there and, preach all hell, fire, and brimstone. All you have to do is just a simple hi. How you doing? Well, anyways, be safe, be grateful, and share positive vibes. And remember, peace, love, and light through Jesus Christ. Amen. I'm the old preacher, Papa Bear here. I love y'all. Have a great Wednesday. Hump, hump, day.